freshmen! This week we will be exploring spoken word poetry. Next year, when you are sophomores, you will be invited to participate in a spoken word poetry workshop run by professional slam poets. This week's lessons are meant to give you a glimpse into next year's poetry workshop, as well as provide you with a platform to express your thoughts and feelings during COVID-19. Poetry is a very powerful means of expression. We often find conventional prose limiting when trying to express abstract concepts such as emotions. Our world has drastically changed over the last 2 months since the coronavirus shutdown. The quarantine has left us feeling sad, confused, lonely, but it has also left us feeling grateful and thankful and kind. I invite you to share your feelings about COVID-19 by writing a poem using the 4 writing prompts in this week's lesson. In the following tutorial, I will guide you through how to complete the assignments in this week's lessons. Please navigate to Google Classroom and click on Spoken Word Poetry. Please read the instructions. When you have completed that, come down here and click on Spoken Word Poetry. All of the videos in this document are clickable. This is an interactive hyperdoc. Please click on What makes a poem a poem? Question: How will you define your poem? When you have completed that, please come down here and watch Sarah Kay's poem titled Toothbrush to Bicycle Tire. Question: What 2 objects would you choose to engage in a conversation? Then, please come down here and watch this poetry slam by 3 high school students. Question: What did you notice about the style, rhythm, and topic of the poem? When you are done with those, please come over here and watch 4 spoken word poetry recordings about COVID-19. These are all recent, created in the last 2 months. When you are done watching those, please come down here and complete these tasks. Complete the study.com lesson set on poetry. I have created a lesson set which consists of 5 videos on the topic of spoken word poetry. Please complete the quizzes for the 5 videos, which is worth 12 points. When you have finished that, please read these 3 poems on Common Lit: The Rose That Grew from Concrete, America, and What Love Isn't. Please complete the quiz questions. Links to Common Lit and study.com can also be found down here. When you have completed those exercises, please try your hand at writing a poem about COVID-19 which reflects on one of the following. Please discuss self, reflect on your identity, who you are, and write a poem about that. 2. Write a poem about a relationship. Like Sarah Kay's poem, Toothbrush to Bicycle Tire, please choose 2 objects in your household and have one write a letter to the other. 3. Create a call to action. Create a poem which discusses an issue or a topic that you would like to draw attention to. 4. Create a poem that conveys your feelings about COVID-19. If you would like to read Sarah Kay's Toothbrush to Bicycle Tire poem lyrics, please click here. If you would like to read Somewhere in America poem lyrics, please click here. When you are ready to write your poem, please come back into Google Classroom and click on the Spoken Word Poem Google Doc that I have created for you. Please type your poem in this document. Alright, well that's it for this week's tutorial. I can't wait to read all of the amazing poems that you create on your thoughts and feelings about COVID-19. Bye for now.